Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapsh Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's quickly see how to bring back a tab in Safari. So let's say I've accidentally closed the tab, and let's see how to bring back that tab. Let's see how to undo and get back that tab. So yeah, let's quickly see that. For that, first thing what we need to do is open Safari. So let's search for Safari. So I've opened Safari. Now let's say you have closed a tab, and this tab is Michael Kors. So I'll close this tab. Now how to bring back this tab is the question. So what you need to do is you need to collapse everything. You should see a plus button over here. Just press and hold this, and you should see the last closed tab over here, and all the other tabs which have previously closed over here. So you can just click on that and open that tab again. So that's how you can undo and get back the tab which you have recently closed in Safari. So this is a quick video which I wanted to make. Hope this was useful. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.